Yo, what's up, Elo series? I'm recording now. Your Pengu assassin. 900 Elo. My mouse is tweaking out right now. So is my internet.
Oh?
Yeah.
Halo series,
Bro,
but I
it's
can't
like
use my internet.
randomly disconnecting.
Oh,
Yo,
hey,
what's
Mars.
up? What's up,
Ethan's
Mars?
recording an Halo series.
Yeah, my name's Ethan.
He's Ethan. Ethan's recording an Halo series.
Yeah. What is he?
This kid doesn't know what Halo series is. He's on too Elo-ware.
Ethan. Bro, my mouse keeps like tweaking out. It's like jittering. What's up, guys?
We're Eloing these series.
I'm gonna be in my series.
Where'd Jackson go?
I don't know. I think he's eating food.
Did he end up doing the pea shooter thing?
He's not doing that. He didn't buy. He's gonna spend all the 100 on V-Bucks.
Gotta get Miku.
I got it. I got it. Oh, I just got critted. My mouse is really tweaked. Yo.
We're tweaking their mouse.
It's bugging right now. Oh, I beat this guy. Yo, my mouse is tweaking the frick out. Hold on. I think I'm blocking it.
Evil mouse of tweak.
I do got the evil mouse, bro. It's Q again. Let's see. My mouse still tweaking. Bro, my mouse is tweaking the frick out, bro.
Evil mouse of tweak.
Bro.
Yo, this game I got for free looks kind of fun.
What's it
Undercross
called?
Warriors.
I'm recorded, by the way. Undercross Warriors. I've seen that on Steam.
What are you recording for?
Yeah, for my Sticky Man, bro.
Elo
Yellow
series.
series?
Elo
You're
series.
playing the yellow series right now?
Yeah. Bro, it's been like 2 years since I started
It's
this.
still going? Alright.
Yeah.
This one's gonna be another 12-hour Elo series.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
15 minutes.
15-hour Elo series.
No. That was a great use of my time, wasn't it?
Power World good?
Probably not.
I heard it was great, no?
I don't know.
What is it?
Look at it. Pal World.
It's on my wish list. It's a good
If my
idea.
PC could run it, I'd play the shit out of that, but it
Jump
cannot.
King Quest. Ethan, have you heard of Jump King Quest?
Crispy Bobby Jump
This
King,
shit look
like
fire.
the one. Probably shouldn't say
Yeah,
his
but
name.
this is like a new, I think.
New? I didn't even play the first one.
It's
I'm
like
not gonna lie.
if,
Oh, it's on 32% off. I think I've heard of this.
Jump King? It's the one where you like, it's like getting over a clone, but it's It's like instead of hammer, it's jump.
Yeah, but this is a
Bro,
different
jump
thing.
kick came out before getting over it. I'm
It
pretty
did?
sure,
No, it didn't.
It must have.
No, it didn't. It didn't.
Why is this not like a
Getting over it came out
like a platforming thing though?
2012.
I'm
Like,
looking
I
it
know
up. I'm
jumping.
looking it up. Okay. 2017. Okay, and then when? Oh, I guess it did.
Yeah,
Wait,
yeah.
what? I thought Jump King was way old.
No, getting over it's like ancient.
Yeah,
It's like
old Jump King.
Yeah,
Markiplier.
2017. 2017, which means it is ancient. Holy shit.
Yeah. I watched like Markiplier play that.
The last thing you see before getting slimed in Atlanta.
ATL.
For creators.
Ah, more hits too. I'm plugging in my other mouse.
Why are there no new games ever that I ever want to play anymore?
I know. It's so bad.
There hasn't been a single new game to come out anytime recently that I'd be like, yeah, I'm excited for this. Besides Nintendo. But
I like
Nintendo,
Dispatch.
I'm not buying a Switch 2. Dispatch is fire, but that's like that's
an exception.
That is the one exception that I can think of. And I mean like,
coming
and
out
I mean
next
like
year.
new, like I'm not talking about like established franchises that I'm already a fan of, because obviously there's like new FNAF games coming out, and Deltarune's obviously upcoming, and like blah 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 blah.
Several months.
I mean like new games.
God, why like they made one really good Dying Light game and they just keep making dog water ones.
Never played Dying Light.
Is that like good?
First one was
Size
good.
up?
The rest of them were not.
I did hear it was aight though. I did hear it was not bad.
The rest was good.
Oh my god.
Somebody waits for you.
Oh
my
yeah,
god.
I can't mark my calendar in January. Shit.
Yes.
Shit.
Wait.
I'll be back. I'm going to pick up my food. It won't take long, guys.
Yummer.
Just say yummer.
Oh my god, voices. Yummer. You don't be yummers in it up?
I never say yummers ever.
Yummer.
Yummers. I should start saying that. That's that's like sauce.
I saw from a TV show I don't like. But I'm gonna watch the final season when it comes out. So I
What
don't
show
know.
is it? What show is it?
The Boys. It's like I think they are probably gonna do something cool with one of the characters. I want to see it. Fuck.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna do it on right now.
No.
My internet is tweaking.
I suck beans.
W.
Nah, I hate sucking beans. Oh. Oh, freak. Who are freaking they Bob?
W. My chud saturation, bro. My chud saturation.
What? What were the worst sentence ever uttered?
Bro. You don't
Bro?
have a chud saturation?
Can't say I do, no.
My chud mouse, oh my. Keeps like glitching everywhere. I don't know if the YouTube audience sees that. Maybe I'm just coping.
They're gonna be like, wow, this guy sucks ass.
Probably. We'll see, we'll see.
Ugh. Oh my god,
GG.
6-7.
6-7. Yeah, I'm getting off. This game, yeah.